right, we are looking at real estate today, and we're seeing a lot of really fun things. It's an adventure. It's always an adventure with this one right here.
This is a nice house. I think it has one issue. What do you think the issue is?
I'm no mold inspector, but I think it has mold.
I don't know. It's either a good paint job or it might be mold. I'm not sure.
We're seeing a red flag. So this is what you don't want to put tenants in, is giant patches of mold. In fact, there's a room we can't even get in, and I'll show you really quick. Oh heck, it's on the other side. This
doesn't scare me though.
No, we're not scared of this. We like a good challenge. But I want to show you a really cool, is it this way? I got lost. Oh, it is, okay. He asked me if there were any issues in this room, and I said, just a little bit of mold. We can't even access it. But when there's no roof and there's moisture, you're gonna get mold.